Yes.
Okay, how would you go about then? G of x, you say x-intercept.
Yes.
Minus 2x squared minus 8x. Okay, so x-intercept y should be equaling to 0.
Yes.
Okay, now we've made y to be 0. What should I do from here?
Quadratic.
You can use a quadratic or you can take out a common factor. There's something common between these two things here. What seems to be common? Let's check what's
Yes.
common. Because there are two terms here.
Minus 2x.
Yeah, if we take minus 2x here, what are we going to remain with here?
X.
We're left with x, right? And then
Yes.
inside the bracket, what are we going to have? Plus or minus?
Plus 4.
Plus 4. And then you can say, like using product rule, you can say minus 2x is going to be 0 or x plus 4 is going to be 0. So you're going to have something like this. Minus 2x is equaling to 0 or x is going to be equaling to minus 4. And then you can say x is going to be 0 or x is going to be minus 4. So the coordinates of D, which one do you take? The 0 or minus 4?
Minus 4.
So we're going to take minus 4. Ne? So we can come and say the coordinates of D. The coordinates of D is going to be minus 4, which goes with 0 then. And then
Yes.
now they want OD. How would you get OD then?
It goes 0 minus open bracket minus 4.
Yeah, so you say the OD, you will say OD. Ne? OD
Yes.
is given as
0
ne?
minus.
Yeah,
Yes.
we start with 0 and then we're going to say minus open bracket minus 4. And then negative and a negative, they're going to give us what?
Positive 4.
Positive 4. No, thank you, Table. Let's get Jane then. Jane, we want the length of TR. T to R.
Mm.
Yes.
So then T is the turning point of graph G of X.
Sure.
So then we can get the X value of the turning point ka formula ya X is minus B over 2A.
Okay, what is our A here?
Our A is minus 2,
Okay, what is our B?
minus 8.
Minus 8. Okay. Then you say I should sub them here. Ne? So I'm going to have minus open bracket minus 8 all over 2 multiplied by minus 2. And then what did you get for this one here?
Minus 2.
You got minus 2.
Mm.
Okay. Now that you got the X value here, it's minus 2. What are you going to do next?
I'm going to substitute it in the formula.
So you are going to take this minus 2 and put it here on G of X. Ne? So you have G of minus 2, which is going to be given as minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 all squared minus 8 multiplied by minus 2. And then if you type this, you have minus 2 open bracket minus 2 squared minus 8 multiplied by minus 2. You get 8. So you come and say here you have minus 2, which goes with 8. And then what is going to be the length then of TR, Jane?
The length of TR is going to be 8 minus 0.
8 minus 0. Ne? Yeah, because the coordinates of R, you have them as, you have minus 2 and 0. Ne? The coordinates of R. So when you say 8 minus this 0 here. Ne?
Mm.
Yeah, because minus 2 and minus 2, they are going to give you 0. So this one's minus 2 and minus 2, they are going to give you 0. So you have TR, which is going to be equivalent to 8. Okay, we are done with that one. They say determine the equation of TR. So this is a straight line. Okay? TR is a straight line. X is equaling to -2. This is the equation of the line. Yeah, that's all. This is a straight line. we want to get BM. BM. We are told to OA is 1. So here we have, if they told us the length of OA is 1, it means they are telling us there's -1 here. We are in the negative side. Yeah, so they are saying the distance from here to here is going to be equivalent to -1. Jane, can you come back for this one?
Mm-hmm.
So how do you approach this one then?
So Sankar, we have like the X value.
Yeah, we have the X value. Yeah.
So we can substitute the X value into graph G for B, for coordinator B.
Yeah, we can substitute. Or here's another way that you can do it. I just wanted to show you this way here. So I agree this one is the graph of G. This one is the graph of M.
Mm.
Yeah. So we can say y of B minus y of M again. And then we can say, okay, but now BM can be given as the equation of G. The way you'll see we're going to get exactly the same answer. Just it's related to what we were learning yesterday, the length of a maximum and a minimum. I want to show you the difference between the two. So we have -2x squared here. Minus 8x. I agree this one is the one on top. This one.
Mm.
Yeah, and then since that one is the one on top here, then we'll say minus open bracket. The one at the bottom, get the f of x. Okay? So we'll have -2x minus 8. And then from here onwards, I will say, okay, I have -2x squared. And then I'm going to have -8x. And then negative and positive is going to give us plus 2x. No? This one and this one is going to give us plus 8.
Plus 8.
And then if we simplify this a little bit further, it says which we are going to get -2x squared hasn't changed again. And then this one and this one, they're going to give us -6x. No? And then we get what? Plus 8. Okay, but now we know what is x. Remember, we know what is x again. Yeah, so we'll say which, okay, but now BM in terms of x, this is BM in terms of x, but now BM, we know which x is -1. So we'll go and substitute everywhere we see x, we'll come and substitute -1 whole squared, -6 multiplied by -1 plus 8. And then if you type this, you're going to get exactly the same answer, exactly the way you were doing it.
16.
You get 16. Let's confirm
Yes.
which even this one is going to give us 16. So we have -1 close bracket all squared -6 multiplied by -1
Mine is wrong.
plus 8.
It's 12.
It's 12.
Mm.
GH, remember they gave us G and H.
Mm.
Yeah, so we have G and then we also have H. So the way I was doing this one, like this one, agree, how did I say we get BM? I said BM is going to be given by top minus bottom. You remember that again? So GH is going to be given by the straight line. Agree, the straight line is given as -2x minus 8, né? Minus open bracket. The f of x is going to be given by -2x squared minus 8x. Okay? And then remember, this is what they gave you. They gave you which one is this? They gave you which one is GH. So you can come and substitute here and say, okay, but now we know what is GH. Oh? So what is GH?
Yeah.
So it's 28 here. And then we come and solve this one. You have -2x minus 8. Okay? Negative and negative, it gives us plus 2x squared. Negative and negative, it gives us plus 8x. Okay, let's continue from here, Debo, but then I gave you a hint.
Like terms.
Okay, we have like terms as okay, let's write this one. We have 2x squared here. We have this one and this one, they are like terms. What are you going to get for that one?
6 plus 6x.
Plus 6x. Okay, you take 28 to this other side. Like it's positive. When it gets to this side, it's going to be negative. No? Then we have -8 minus 28. which is going to give you minus 36. And then from here onwards, agree, you want to factorize here.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the simplest way to do it. You can start by dividing by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. And then it says which are going to have 0, which is going to be x squared plus 3x minus 18. And then from here, you can open 2 brackets here. And then we have x, you have x. What should I put there as the factors of minus 18, which are going to give us 3?
Plus 6 minus 3.
Is
Minus
plus
3.
6 and what?
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
6 and minus 3, like this. And then it says which x is going to be equal to 3 or x is going to be equal to minus 6. So which one should I take, minus 3 or 6?
Minus 6.
I should take minus 6. Yeah, it means
What did you say, minus 3?
Yeah?
Minus 3, Jane.
Almost. The question was minus 3 or 6.
Oh, it's 3 or minus 6. It's 3 or minus 6. So here you have minus 6, which goes with something. We have no idea. And then we have, so everywhere here is minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6 again. And then because they want from O to J. Again, they want from O to J here. So it means the length is going to be 6 because you're starting from 0 and then you go to what? To J. And then it means our OJ is going to be equal to 6.
Calculate the point of intersection of both graph and graph G of x and f of x.
Sure. Let's start with that then. So we are going to say we have f of x, which is going to be equal to g of x again. And then we know what is f of x. F of x is given as minus 2x minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 2x squared minus 8x.
Minus
Okay.
8x.
What should I do from here?
Transpose.
Okay, I'm going to take these ones to this other side. Yeah, these people here. I have 2x squared.
So we have positive 2x squared minus 2x.
Eh? Let's add it. I get this one here is negative. When it gets this side, it's going to become positive, and then we have plus 6.
Plus 6x
minus 8 equals to 0.
Yes.
Okay, what should I do from here?
And then we divide by 2.
I have x squared plus 3x minus 4 is going to be 0.
And then we factorize.
Okay. Open 2 brackets. X.
And then we're gonna have x plus 4.
Plus 4.
And x minus 1.
Okay, it says x is going to be minus 4.
Yes.
Or x is going to be equal to 1. Okay, which x should we take here?
X is equal to 1.
Okay, so we'll say with x here is 1. And then y is 0. We know why. Y is 0 here. And then we know what is x here. X is 1, but we don't know what is y. So let's go and find out what is y. How would you get y then?
I substitute in any of the formulas.
Okay, let's use f of x. F of x is going to say f of 1. F of 1 is going to be minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 8. And then Tebuho, your hand is up. Let's finish this one. What did you get here, Jane, for this one?
I got minus 10.
Minus 10. Okay, let's come and put here minus
Yes.
10. We have minus 10. Okay, what is going to be the length? Tebuho, you are not 10. What is going to be the length?
It's going to be 0 minus 10.
0 minus 10. Yeah, so it means which we are going to say the length of FP is going to be equivalent to 0 minus 10, which is going to give us 10.
Yes.
Okay, Tebogo, you can ask your question.
I said given, sir.
Oh, you're fine now.